Alright, carnage from last night's tornado in my backyard. Let's see. So there's a chair flipped over, oh big whoop, right? This one's a little bit more serious. Metal chair, another metal chair. And my neighbor already put the fences back up, but some of them, those were down. This one back here is down. See through over there, kind of pulled apart with my whole fence, ripped up my trampoline. But hi neighbors. And then all that was down. My neighbors already put it up. But yeah, he's got a little thing over there picked up and flipped over against the other side. The back fence is down over there. It's just, the post is still standing. Crazy. Oh, I guess that got ripped out. What else we got? I don't see anything else. Get them out of shredding here. Oh, bent the pole. That's flipped over. Oh, look at that. Put a toy right in the tree. Oh man, what else? Anything else come down? No, just that one section right there. Alright. That's it. It looks like it started right there. It just bounced, and then of course the tree is way over there. And I took video of earlier, shredding the trees. And it dropped everything over there too. Insane, man. Wasn't even home.